Hello, everyone. Today we're addressing a common issue that arises when you have a free gift with purchase arrangement. Imagine you have a free gift with purchase set up and you add a product to the cart. If the criteria for the free gift are met, the product doesn't get added to the cart unless you refresh the page. This issue is often faced by stores using Shopify themes, particularly older ones. There are several ways to rectify this problem. Let's explore the first solution. Navigate to Kite and Settings. In Widget Settings, you'll find an option called Cart Refresh Settings. Here, there are two cart refresh settings, the Sidecar Selector and the Sidecar Section ID. Now, open your storefront and inspect your sidecar to find a unique class and ID. To verify its uniqueness, copy the class, hit Ctrl F, and check for other instances of the same class. If there are none, it's unique. The same applies to the section ID. Once you've confirmed the uniqueness, head to the values for Sidecar Selector and Section ID and paste it there. For the section ID, there's no need to add a dot or a hashtag, but for the selector, add it with a dot. Then click on Save. Let's test if the issue has been resolved. Clear your cart, select a product, and try to qualify for the free gift. If the free gift still only gets added upon refresh, we'll need to try a second method. The second method involves finding or adding the script for the sidecar refresh. Navigate to the script section, go to the settings, and find your custom JS scripts. Here, you'll see an option called Execute Custom Logic After Free Gift Edition. This varies for every store based on their themes. For instance, on a customer's store, we've added this particular script. If we look at their setup and try to qualify for the free gift gets added to the cart without needing a refresh. In this way, you can solve the sidecar refresh issue. If neither of these methods work, feel free to reach out to us via chat, and we'll be happy to assist. We've also added some examples of sidecar refresh events for reference. You can check them out and try to find the same on your store. Thank you.